We've got some bad habits to break today. I hope you're ready to kick those demons to the curb. Let's practice. Kick,
Every time you come around,
kick,
you
step,
know I
step,
can't say
step,
no.
throw, kick your bad habits.
Every time the sun
Again.
goes down,
Good.
I let you take on.
Step to the front, kick your bad habit.
I can feel the paradise before my
Explode.
world implodes.
You're like a supernova
And tonight
again.
had something wonderful.
Practice.
Bad
Let's
habits
go.
lead to late
Step,
nights
step.
and then alone
Kick, step,
conversations
step.
with a stranger.
Kick it to the front.
I barely know.
Kick your bad
Swearing this
habit.
will be the last, but it probably won't.
You know this is gonna get faster, and I have faith in you. Kick your bad habits.
Lead to white eyes stare into space.
Step.
And I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I'm just looking for a way out. Now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, my bad habits lead to you.
Four, fast. 4, 3, 2,
My bad
roll to the
habits lead
left.
to you.
Other way.
My bad habits lead to you.
Back to the beginning. Pump.
Every pure intention ends when the good times
Explode.
start.
One more time.
Falling
What are you bottling
over
up?
everything
What are you
to reach
repressing?
the first time spark.
Let's take it up.
Started on the neon lights and then it all got dark.
I like this, but you can get lower.
I only know how to go
Hold.
too far. My bad habits lead to late nights and then alone conversations with
Get
a
creepy.
stranger.
Get
I
weird.
barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't. I got nothing left to lose or use or do. My bad habits lead to white eyes staring into space, and I know I lose control of the things that I say. Yeah, I was looking for a way out. Now I can't escape. Nothing happens after two. It's true, my bad habits lead to you.
4, 3, 2, 1.
My
Roll
habits
this
lead
way.
to you.
Oh no,
Took the
a storm is brewing,
long way round
and it's inside of you. Speed this up.
and burn
You
till
can't
the
contain it.
fire run out.
Bigger.
My bad habits lead to
Practice.
late nights and then alone conversations with a stranger I barely know. Swearing this will be the last, but it probably won't.
Kick,
I
step,
got
step.
nothing left to
Last
lose.
chance.
Or
You
do my bad
can do
habits
it.
lead
Go.
to white eyes staring
Accept me, I guess I
into
can.
space. And I know I lose control.
What bad habit are you
That I
kicking?
say, yeah, I was looking for a way out.
I
Now
can't watch TV without eating,
nothing happens
and there's nothing I can do
It's
about
true,
it.
It's true, my bad habits lead to you.
4, fast. 4, 3, 2,
My bad
1.
habits lead
Roll.
to you. My bad habits lead to you.
If you have a bad habit of shopping online, join the Booty Army. It's a purchase that's worthwhile. We do 60-minute and 30-minute sweat sessions every single week. They never expire, and it's the best way to get a long-form Fitness Marshall workout. You can listen to this song on our official Spotify playlist, Workout by the Fitness Marshall. Anything else?
That's it.
Anything else?
That's it. Cover frame.